Hello guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I'll be showing you how to make peri-peri chicken. Peri-peri chicken is a South African chicken recipe that got its name from the sauce. Peri-peri chicken is made with bird's eye chili. So I've got my peri-peri here, so I'm using the dried one. If you can lay your hands on the fresh one, nothing like it. And I have some chilies here, garlic and bay leaves, which are the main ingredients for this. So I've got some celeries for flavor, onion, and I have few chicken parts here. You can use chicken thigh, breast, or the drumsticks. So whichever one you use, it's totally up to you. Now let's go ahead and prepare our peri-peri sauce. We are going to start by combining all the ingredients in the blender. So I'm adding in 12 chili peppers to the blender. You can notice I've removed some of the seeds because this particular chili pepper is very strong in flavor and is spicy. So I had to take out some of the seeds. And I'm adding 6 pieces of peri-peri. This is also known as African bird's eye chilies. 7 garlic cloves. 4 bay leaves, 1 medium onion, a tablespoon of smoked paprika, a tablespoon of oregano spice, a teaspoon of chicken stock cube. This is optional, but it gives it a nice taste, and a handful of celery, 1 freshly squeezed lemon juice, a teaspoon of salt, and lastly, a 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Now, pulse this into a smooth consistency. And once you have gotten to a smooth consistency like this, you can pour it over the chicken. You can also make a large batch of this peri-peri sauce and store in the fridge and use it for other recipes that calls for it. You can now mix this with your hands. Guys, this peri-peri sauce is quite hot, so you will need to protect your hands with some gloves. Now we are going to marinate this for 2 hours in the fridge. You can as well marinate this overnight or for 24 hours. The longer you marinate this, the better it is. Two hours later, I'm pretty sure the chicken has absorbed all the marinade. Okay, look at this. This looks really delicious. Look at the sauce, looks so good. At this point, guys, you can decide to bake or you can grill this, but I've chosen to bake this. Okay, whichever method you choose, this will still come out really nice. For the remaining marinade, you don't need to discard this. You can keep this aside. You'll be needing this later. Now bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. So guys, after 30 minutes of cooking this in the oven, you can turn them over. Okay, you can see they are beautifully charred. And you can add some of the marinade again. Okay, just coat it on the surface just like so. Now return your peri-peri chicken to the oven and bake for another 30 minutes until they are done. So guys, your delicious peri-peri chicken is ready. Just look at this. This looks totally amazing and juicy. You can see how juicy it is. Okay, this is just what you're looking for. Every part of the chicken is immersed in the peri-peri sauce. And guys, this is really delicious and I hope you try this out. I love to garnish this with some chopped parsley. You can serve your peri-peri chicken as it is with peri-peri sauce, that's if you have more left, or you can pair with rice and salad. Thank you guys for watching this video. This was how to make an easy peri-peri chicken recipe. I hope you will replicate this at home and leave me your feedback in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any video whenever I upload. Give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thank you guys. Until next time. Love you. Bye.